guys, welcome back to the Drive Vault. You know, every now and then, a vehicle comes along that makes the whole van life community sit up and go, wait, did Honda just do that? Well, buckle up, because the 2026 Honda camper van is exactly that kind of vehicle. This isn't just another box on wheels with a bed stuffed in the back. This thing feels like Honda really sat down, studied what modern van lifers want, and then built something that blends their classic reliability with a surprisingly daring spirit. At first glance, the design is what really grabs you. Honda has gone with this sleek, almost futuristic body that looks more like a modern SUV that's stretched out than your typical blocky camper van. The front grille carries Honda's new design language with those sharp LED headlights that wrap smoothly into the body, giving it that confident stance. It's aerodynamic too, which is rare for a camper. Most vans are like bricks fighting against the wind, but the Honda's sculpted lines actually make it look like it belongs both on the highway and parked at a beachside camp spot. Now, under the hood is where things get even more interesting. Honda is leaning into efficiency for 2026, so the camper van comes with a hybrid powertrain as standard. That means you're getting the best of both worlds: the dependability of a gas engine when you need long-distance road trips, and the efficiency and quiet of electric power when you're gliding through towns or pulling into a campground late at night. And here's the kicker: the estimated range is seriously impressive. We're talking road trip-worthy mileage without having to constantly scout out gas stations or charging points. It's Honda's way of saying, yes, you can explore far and wide, and no, you don't have to stress about it. But performance isn't just about range, right? This thing can actually handle itself. Honda added an all-wheel drive option, and with the higher ground clearance, it's more than just a mall crawler. Weekend off-road trips, mountain roads, gravel paths to remote campgrounds, it's ready for that. It's not a hardcore rock crawler, but if you've ever had to turn around in a traditional camper because the dirt road looked sketchy, this Honda is going to feel like a breath of fresh air. Plus, it's got different drive modes to adjust traction and power delivery, so whether you're driving through rain, snow, or a little sandy trail, you'll feel in control. Step inside, and this is where Honda really flexed. The interior is modern, bright, and dare I say, cozy. Instead of just cramming furniture into a van, they designed it like a tiny luxury apartment. The living area has clean lines, ambient LED lighting, and lots of modular storage that actually makes sense. There's a fold-out sofa that doubles as a bed, a compact but fully functional kitchenette with an induction stove and fridge, and here's a detail I love. The dining setup can convert into a workspace. Perfect for those digital nomads who want to edit travel vlogs or jump into a quick Zoom call with a mountain view behind them. The bedroom space, depending on the trim, either gives you a fixed bed in the back or a convertible sleeping area. And the insulation, this is something van owners know is a big deal. Honda used new sound dampening and thermal materials. So whether you're parked in a busy lot or out in the cold, you'll feel comfortable. Oh, and the panoramic roof? Game changer. Imagine lying in bed at night, looking up at the stars, right through the roof of your van. That's the kind of thoughtful touch that makes this more than just a van. Price-wise, Honda is being strategic. They know camper vans can get ridiculously expensive, sometimes pushing into luxury home territory. The 2026 Honda camper van is expected to start in the mid-$60,000 range, which, considering the hybrid tech, the interior quality, and Honda's reliability, is actually competitive. Fully loaded versions with AWD and all the bells and whistles might creep closer to $80,000. But even then, it's undercutting some European camper brands that don't offer half the practicality. Now, if you're wondering how it stacks up against other camper vans, here's the fun part. Compared to something like the Mercedes Sprinter conversions, Honda's camper feels more user-friendly, less intimidating, and definitely more affordable. Versus a Ford Transit camper, Honda's hybrid system gives it a serious edge in efficiency. And unlike some of the boutique camper builds, this one has Honda's dealer and service network behind it, which is huge for anyone thinking long-term reliability on road trips. The overall vibe of the 2026 Honda camper van is this. It's approachable, stylish, and built for real people who want to get out there and explore without giving up comfort. It's not trying to be a rugged expedition rig or a $1 million luxury bus. Instead, it's that sweet spot between practicality, efficiency, and a little bit of adventure flair. So if you've been dreaming of van life but have been intimidated by the price tags or worried about reliability, Honda might have just handed you the perfect excuse. The 2026 Honda camper van feels like it's going to open the door for a whole new wave of travelers. People who want freedom on the road, but also want a van that feels easy, familiar, and ready to roll every single weekend. I don't know about you, but I can already picture myself taking this thing up into the mountains, windows down, music playing, and knowing that wherever I stop, I've basically got a little home with me. And that's the magic of it. Honda didn't just build a camper van, they built an invitation to explore.